Hey there! In this video tutorial we will learn more about the Show Quiz Orders shortcode. The shortcode is meant to display, let's say, the payment history of the current user. The shortcode displays the quiz name, payment date, amount, and the type of the payment on the front end. The Show Quiz Orders shortcode is very easy to use, and the only step you need to perform is to copy the shortcode and paste it to your desired post or a page. So we copy the shortcode and scroll a little bit, add a new post like this, and insert the shortcode here. We will choose Show Quiz Orders name for the post, and we publish our post. So this is the table provided by the Show Quiz Orders shortcode. The first table column is the quiz name table column. That is what quizzes the user passed. As you can see, the user has passed assessment quiz, IQ test, and what is your travel personality quiz. Please note that all these quizzes are paid, of course. Then comes the payment date, like when the user passed the quiz. Then comes the amount, the money the user paid for the quiz. And the last table column is the type table column. This table column shows via which payment integration the purchase was made for the quiz. So together we learned how to make use of the Show Quiz Orders shortcode. Bye!